To awaken your body, start with your hands. There is a quiet power in your palms. They are the first to greet the world. They feel, they create, they care. And when you bring your awareness into your hands, you begin returning to yourself. Today's practice is simple but alive. All it asks is your presence, your warmth, your touch. Sit comfortably. Begin by rubbing your palms together, not in a hurry. Feel the warmth begin to rise between them. It's not just friction, it's energy you create with your own attention. Now pause. Feel the tingling in your hands. That's already contact. That's already life. Slowly bring your warm palms to your face. Close your eyes. Let the touch be soft, unhurried. You don't need to change anything. Just be here. Take a deep breath. Now place your hands over your chest. One hand over the heart, the other just below. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. You are alive. You are breathing. You are here. Then move your hands to your belly. This is your center of gravity, a space of calm. Even if you haven't felt it for a while, just rest there. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. Finally, bring your hands to the back of your neck. Hold yourself gently. Offer yourself support, a soft, grounding contact. No pressure, just care. Such a simple act, and yet it grounds you, awakens you, and fills you with quiet energy. You can do this in the morning to begin your day gently, or any time you feel disconnected or tired. Why does it work? Because touch is a primal language of safety. When you touch yourself with warmth and awareness, your brain receives a message. I'm safe. I can relax. Your somatosensory system is activated. This lowers anxiety, restores balance, and gives you strength. Feel how your body responds. Let yourself soften. Let yourself return. If this touched something in you, share it in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else. Want to keep going? Subscribe. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.